Hey YouTube, welcome back. Today I'm gonna go over your either this one is the Elite model with the 9-speed transmission. So I'm just gonna go over this real quick. Well, hopefully you guys already know how to shift by pressing the button. Okay, so let's go ahead and get it started, guys. So as you can see, you got a P for parking, and R, you got to press it down or toward the back, for reverse, and N is for neutral, D is for drive, and S is for sports mode. This one has a sports mode, which is allow you to paddle shift, which is right here, to paddle shift up or to shift it down. Okay, this button is for intelligent traction management. Okay, and then the bottom here, this one is for auto engine idle, stop, enable or disable. So I'm gonna show you guys on the screen what's it gonna look like. I'm gonna hit the auto engine idle, stop, enable and disable. This button is supposed to, when you enable, it's supposed to save gas or something, so your engine won't keep on idling. And then this is for the intelligent traction management. Okay, when you press this one, you gotta hit it longer to jump into the next mode. Okay, like that. So as you can see, I'm switching right now to sand mode, normal mode, snow mode, mud, sand, normal mode. Okay. And then this button right here is for your dash brightness. As you can see, you can turn it lower or super bright by press and hold down. So if I put on drive, you see a D button. If I hit it one more time, it's gonna go to sports mode. If I hit it one more time, it's gonna go to D. So I can switch back and forth. So if I shift, alright, so once I press the sports mode, you could manual shift it by pressing this button to take over the automatic shifting mode. So that will conclude today's video for the shifting. Hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and gain some knowledge about this intelligent traction management mode. You got the normal, snow, mud, and then sand. Okay, and then you got your auto engine idle stop, disable and enable. Alright, so please be sure to like this video, give a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you can't do so yet, and then be sure to turn on that bell for notification. You could also share this with your friend, family on social media if they're having just bought a new car and didn't know what all these buttons are for. Alright, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video, guys. Drop any other comments on below if you got any more questions, and I'll try to do my best to answer for you guys. Thank you for watching. Like always, peace.